A grey, lumpy cloud sheet over the coast can tell you a lot about the air above it. Stratocumulus clouds are low clouds that form when damp air rises only a short distance, then hits a stable layer and cannot keep climbing. Instead of building into a tall tower, the cloud spreads sideways and becomes a broad deck. From the ground, stratocumulus often looks dull, grey or white, with rounded lumps and patches of texture. From above, especially on satellite images, the same deck can look bright because it is packed with many tiny water droplets. Low clouds like these are usually made of liquid water droplets rather than ice crystals. The basic recipe is simple: cool, moist air near the surface, a cap of warmer air above, and enough tiny particles for water vapor to condense onto. Those particles are called cloud condensation nuclei. Over the ocean, sea salt is a common source, giving water vapor lots of surfaces where droplets can form. The stable layer above the cloud is often a temperature inversion. That means the normal pattern is flipped, with warmer air sitting over cooler air. Air parcels rising from below cool as they lift. But when they reach the inversion, the air around them becomes too stable for strong upward motion. So the cloud flattens out. This is why stratocumulus belongs to the world of the boundary layer, the part of the atmosphere closest to the surface. There can be gentle mixing and weak convection underneath, but not enough vertical energy to punch through the cap. The marine layer is one of the best places to see this process. Cool sea air keeps the lower atmosphere damp, while warmer air aloft acts like a lid. Overnight, a low cloud deck can spread across the water. In the morning, a sea breeze may carry it inland along parts of Australia's southwest and southeast coasts. If sunshine warms the ground enough, the cloud can break up. But if the inversion stays strong, the grey sheet can linger for hours. Stratocumulus also matters for climate and daily temperatures. Because these low cloud decks are bright from above, they reflect a share of incoming sunlight back to space. That is called the cloud albedo effect. Less sunlight reaching the surface can help keep coastal areas cooler during the day. Across the oceans, low marine clouds play a part in the global radiation budget, which is the balance between incoming solar energy and outgoing heat. Weather watchers sometimes confuse stratocumulus with nimbostratus because both can look grey and layered. The difference is usually texture and rain. Stratocumulus is often lumpy, broken and widespread, with little or no rain. Nimbostratus is usually thicker, darker, smoother and more likely to bring steady rain. So a stratocumulus deck often means a grey day, while nimbostratus more often means wet weather is on the way. Here is the practical rule for spotting stratocumulus. Look for cool, moist air near the surface, a broad, low cloud sheet, and a stable layer stopping the cloud from growing upward. If the cloud spreads sideways, has rounded lumps, and sits under a marine or coastal cap, you are probably looking at stratocumulus. It is not dramatic like a thunderstorm, but it is a clear sign that the lower atmosphere is stable, moist, and capped.